Today let's learn about synonyms. What is synonyms? Is a word having the same or nearly the same meaning as another word in certain contexts. Now, let's learn some of the common synonyms in English. Huge, big, huge and big. Present, gift, present and gift. Stone, rock, stone and rock. Easy, simple, easy and simple. Difficult, hard, difficult and hard. Mistake, error, mistake and error. Trip, journey, trip and journey. Sad, unhappy, sad and unhappy. Good, fine, good and fine. Job, occupation, job and occupation. Infant, baby, infant and baby. Speak, talk, speak and talk. Ill, sick, ill and sick. Fast, quick, fast and quick. End, finish, end and finish. Angry, mad, angry and mad. Start, begin, start and begin. Respect, honor, respect and honor. Glad, happy, glad and happy. Get, receive, get and receive. Rich, wealthy, rich and wealthy. Afraid, scared, afraid and scared. Small, tiny, small and tiny. Beautiful, pretty, beautiful and pretty. Delicious, tasty, delicious and tasty. Peaceful, quiet, peaceful and quiet. Awesome kids!